want to show you this parcel from AliExpress. It has taken longer than expected. It took over 2 months to come here. Maybe it's because of the lockdown or COVID-19. Very nice plastic bag. Sealing. Okay. Very simple stuff. This is a bath mat. And I can show you the material. It's pretty nice. Better than I expected. The seller have different brands of the music cassette, and I think this is the one looks most realistic, and I really like the song I Will Survive as well, so I decided to buy this one. The only problem is I need to find a way to remove the crease here. At the moment maybe I have to wash it, make it wet and put it flat and see how it goes. Yes, I like it. The material is better than I expected. This is not for outdoor, this is only for bathroom, bath mat. If you like the video, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye!